Hello everyone and welcome to the screen. This is the daily time frame of Suntech Realty Limited, and we have seen a couple of good momentum here and some sideways, and then again the resuming the uptrend strength, and that is the one reason we have shortlisted this stock as a bull stock for next couple of days. So let's get analyzed with a higher time frame. As usual, we are starting with a monthly time frame. So this is the monthly time frame, and we have seen since last August, September, and October months were on a sideways and facing some kind of resistance at important moving average of this, and we have seen a good shadows here. But in the month of November, we have seen the closing basis breakout of above all this 3 month high on the November month 2020. But importantly, we have noticed one more thing here is a shadow here, which is a selling pressure signal on this time frame of monthly chart. So we have seen a good uptrend momentum breakout, but on upper side we have seen a good selling pressure. So that's the reason and concern. So we were waiting for stock to get confirmed and some buying pressure resuming again, follow-up buying we call it here. And exactly what happened in next month of December, we have seen from the last closing a good resume of follow-up buying in the Suntech Realty Limited on monthly time frame. So that is the good price action we have analyzed with the help of candlesticks. Resistance breakout already appeared on the November month. Moving average breakout also appears, and right now trading above the important moving average and taking support here. You can see here it has tested a moving average support and now resuming the stand. So that's a good sign. Breakout with a good volumes again indicating a good strength in the counter. RSI is trading below 1640, so no more momentum on monthly time frame, but it is not at least below the 40, so that's a good sign and good bullish signal. We can take it from RSI, and we have seen a good fall. Then this is a bounce. Let me check the Fibonacci retracement also, so which comes at, which is exactly near to 60 50% we have seen cross, and 61% comes near this 383 zone. So expecting the price to come near this 61 zone because of this important Fibonacci retracement also cross at 50%. So this is the monthly time frame analysis of Suntech Realty. So let me remove all the signals. And now let's convert this to the weekly time frame. And importantly, we have seen a very good bullish candle here and with a good volumes. There is a length of shadow is very high, so that was a concern. But in next couple of weeks, since last four candles is a weekly candles, so last 4 weeks we have seen a follow-up buying with some kind of consolidation here. So that's a good pattern to show that somebody has entered with a good volume here and now accumulating this counter at the same level of price. So that is a good signal with volume analysis we can get. And one more thing is it has crossed this important area of moving average resistance with a higher big body white candle with a higher volumes and now consolidating above this moving average. That's a good sign. In last week we have seen the increase in the volume and increase of this candle length is expansion of the candle shows the bullish strength in this counter is still intact. So this is the good signal. And if you can take with the trend is, yeah, right now here from sideways to breakout and right now resuming, the price is also supporting, like price is showing some kind of follow-up buying. uh, then we have seen a volume is also significance on the breakout, and right now it resuming strength again showing good signals of volumes. Then we can check the momentum is above 60 RSI. That is amazing momentum we can see in next couple of days because of the higher momentum above 60 on RSI. So these are the few signals we can simply catch here with the help of simple tools of technical analysis. So let me check now the daily time frame. So daily time frame, by observing the important chart here, we have seen a good consolidation from month of August to the month of November end. And let me mark the important area of consolidation breakout, resistance breakout here about this line. So that's amazing sign. After a consolidation of more than 2.5 months, we can expect a good rallying price, which is still left in this counter, because after a breakout, some shadows appear, some selling pressure we have observed here, and market was in a sideways You can see on this breakout, the volume activity is very high. But in this consolidation, accumulation period, we could simply say the volume is just very dry. And on the breakout of this candle, big body white candle, volume is still increasing on this breakout candle. That's amazing, showing a good bullish signal. And if I can simply mark the important area of resistance, which also crossed here with higher volumes, RSI is above 60, showing amazing strength in this counter. So Suntech Reality is a counter, we can say, very expected a very huge momentum in this counter because of this couple of signals. One more signal, we can simply say there is a very important pattern here of this is the cup and handle pattern, we can simply say. This is the cup and consolidation, also the range, the box breakout appears, forming one more box here. So that's a sign of consolidation after this move. This is a consolidation after this move. This is a consolidation. So expecting a price to move something like this. So this is just expectation in the format of Suntech Reality. Huge cup and handle pattern formation on daily time frame. On cup breakout, we can see here a very good volume accumulation activity. So that's amazing sign in this counter. So let's check and mark the level for this counter. As we have seen so many reasons to enter this counter. One important signal is here, this resistance breakout, and it has also retested again, which is change in polarity. That is amazing sign with a good shadow on downside. Importantly, moving average slope is also uptrending right now. The slope of this moving average is upside. It's showing a good amazing trend in this counter intact. So that's the beauty. We have shortlisted this stock for next couple of days. So now let me mark the levels. So you can keep the stop loss near this moving average around this 290 level or around this 300 level. 300 is also a round number. Keep the stop loss at 300 level here, which is also low here. This is the stop loss on the closing basis. And right now stock is trading at 349. Any dip from 49 to 325 or around 320 is a good opportunity to enter in this counter. Keep your stop loss at 300 level on the closing basis. Below the closing of 300 is your stopped out of this counter, and you can expect a price. Let's check with a small retracement. So here is the first 376 is the area of resistance, we can 100%, and 161% near to 423. Let me check simple one more retracement to confirm it by further. So this is the area again, 261 and 161% combined with together around 414. So we can keep the target at 415 for this counter in next few trading sessions or couple of days. So possibility of the target area is 104, 415 for this counter. You can enter near 349.50 to 325. And it is a good opportunity with this 300 stop loss on the daily chart time frame. So this is the whole analysis of Suntech Reality Limited, and we expect a price to move upside in next couple of days to week